Alright, the Samsung Galaxy X. Is it actually happening? The first foldable phone? I don't think so. So this is what it should look like. It's a phone you can fold with an AMOLED screen, and you can fold it, and when it's folded up you can put it in your pocket and it's like you're folding a letter. But it's a letter you can type on and call with. So it's a phone. It's a flatter. Oh, by the way, this is going to cost you $1,850 if you want to buy this phone in the future. And then there's that, yeah. And they're also saying that Samsung is going to be the first company to commercially launch this phone, possibly even this year. That's never going to happen. If that happens, well then I'm going to get 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year. That's not going to happen as well, so But I'm pretty sure it will happen, maybe in 1, 2 or 3 years, where the technology will be a bit more advanced then. But right now, if it does happen, it will probably be shit, yeah. But why would you still need a phone that's foldable? You're probably thinking, well, that's because you save space and you still have a big screen. So you can have a phone that's like this size, but when you fold it, it's only this size. So you can place it in your pocket very easily, besides this phone that's going to be a bit more difficult. So that's the coolest thing about foldable phones, I think. This is actually what it could look like, and that's not that bad, because it's like a full tablet. On two sides you can have multiple windows, and it's still only the size of a phone, so that's pretty cool. But the one where you have two different screens, for example this one, that's a bit weird. Or this one, for example, over here, nah. Alright, I'm definitely not expecting that we're going to see a finished product of this year, maybe next year or maybe in 2 years. That can happen, and that probably will happen, but this year, don't get your hopes up. I'm hoping it will, and I'm hoping Samsung will send one over with my 225 subscribers. But hey, you never know. But yeah, what's your opinion on this? Would you like a foldable phone? Or would you stay at a regular phone, like this iPhone SE, for example? That's pretty normal, and we all know the screens that you can't fold. If you fold them, they break. Remember the iPhone 6 bend gate? Yeah, Apple, we still remember. Yeah, well, that wasn't cool, but what if you could bend your phone and it doesn't break? It's meant to bend. That would be cool, I think. But it would be weird as well. So, yeah, the technology is not there yet. It's not going to happen anytime soon, but it's cool to think about, and I hope we'll see a bit more renders, a bit more leaks in the future, but it's probably not going to be for this year. Alright, see ya!